Hello, Captain Mimmer here, and today I am at the Williamson building in the University of Manchester again, and I found this Dartec platform lift. Let's get in. I think I've been... Yeah, you come in. Press pencil an entire journey, it's one of them platform lifts. Not working. We'll try calling it. Right, let's wait for the door to close. Right. Here we go. Right, it's working now. This lift is pretty confused. We'll try it. We'll try go up.
Can you hands on it?
I know.
Door closing.
Here we go. It's fast.
Level 1.
Right, we can come out. I think there's actually an artico. Yeah, let's go back down to zero.
No.
Why not? Anyway, that's been Captain Miru in the lift at, where is it again? The Williamson building in the University of Manchester. So bye.